Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna be discussing where the next B&M Surf Coaster will go. Theme parks within the United States only. In fact, there are a lot of choices that they could possibly build a pipeline style coaster. Basically a B&M Surf Coaster. And so I see the SeaWorld parks getting it first. But if you take a look at back on these B&M like stand-up coasters, these old school stand-up coaster with 4 across seating, these has been around ever since. But now they're changing up the stand-up coaster and just doing 2 seating across. So this will be a different experience, although you're also standing up. But the thing is, you're also bouncing up and down while you're moving, while you're accelerating. So we're gonna be talking about what parks could use a B&M surf coaster. The first park we're gonna be discussing here is SeaWorld San Diego. SeaWorld San Diego could easily use a surf coaster. The problem here is though is that they're landlocked and it doesn't seem like they could expand. However, if they're creative enough to build a coaster somewhere, then they could manage to put in a surf coaster. But there could be if they can take something out, or they just try to expand or something, or maybe they will have to take something out. But uh, I kind of like doubt SeaWorld San Diego might get it. But perhaps, like I said before, if they're able to take out something to replace something with a surf coaster, or maybe to just be creative with the land, then sure, maybe they could build a B&M surf coaster here at SeaWorld San Diego. For the B&M surf coaster, this will definitely be a good fit. They already have a launch coaster called Rave Breaker, the rescue coaster, but that's more like a family launch coaster. They need more like a traditional launch coaster with inversions, and so they don't really have a launch coaster at the park. So by adding a stand-up roller coaster for SeaWorld San Antonio will be at least a different experience in the park, and there's nothing like it in the park. So by having a stand-up coaster in Texas, yeah, that would absolutely be something different that Texas doesn't have. So for SeaWorld San Antonio, I think a surf coaster will do good here. So especially if their only B&M is Great White. So they need another B&M coaster, really. So that's it for SeaWorld San Antonio. Next park we're going to be discussing is Busch Gardens Tampa. They already got in a coaster Iron Gwazi in 2022, but there's also a rumor that this park will be getting a B&M Giga coaster, but since Magic Mountain is getting it next year, I don't think they're going to be getting a Giga coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa, not until 2025 or 2026 by any chance. But Busch Gardens Tampa do have the potential to build a B&M surf coaster at this park. Is Busch Gardens Williamsburg. This would absolutely be a good fit. However, I don't think they're gonna get a surf coaster at this park though, because they do have enough launch coasters already. Though they have Verbolten, Pantheon, and Dark Coaster. Dark Coaster just opened this year actually, and is a family intimate straddle coaster. No, not a straddle like Top Thrill Dragster, a straddle coaster. Straddle with a D, not a strata, but it's an indoor family launch coaster. So I don't know if they still want to do a fourth launch coaster, but I just kind of doubt that Busch Gardens Williamsburg will get another launch coaster. But although a surf coaster would do good here, I just don't see that happen because they already have enough launch coasters at this park. But there's a chance that they could still do it if they change their minds. But still, I don't think this park will get a surf coaster by B&M. Parks will probably be like Busch Gardens Tampa or the other SeaWorld parks, but I don't see this park get it. Parks that I could see them get a surf coaster like Pipeline, the surf coaster. They said this is a very fun roller coaster, and I haven't ridden it, so I can't really believe so. But from the POV, it looks like a fun experience, a fun ride, and also the rider cam. So this looks like a fun ride, but there are certain parks that they could still be getting this kind of coaster. Uh, the theme parks that I doubt will get this is the Six Flags parks. Excuse me, Six Flags parks. I don't see them get a surf coaster because they just build their own whatever they want to do. But I don't think the Six Flags parks will get something like this. For the Cedar Fair, there's a chance that they could be getting something like this, but maybe just a few parks that could get a surf coaster like this. Remember, this is just a brand new coaster type, so they're just like getting started here. But if other parks get a coaster like this, then that would be great. But I doubt the Six Flags parks will get something like this. The Cedar Fair parks, well, if they're up to their minds and planning to get something like this, then that's bravo to them. Sound of Coaster's gone extinct, but it seems like B&M brought it back, so that is a good thing. Absolutely a fun ride, seems like. That's gonna conclude it for the video today. What do you guys think about the surf coaster? What parks do you want to see this coaster be built? Or theme parks within the United States only? Post your comments below. For me, I would like to see this come to SeaWorld San Diego if they could, but if not, then I would like to see this come to uh, maybe a Cedar Fair Park, maybe Knott's Berry Farm or Busch Gardens, Tampa. Although that's not my home park, but still would probably do a good job there. But they do have a lot of B&Ms already, so I don't know if they still want to go with B&M. But post your comments below what parks you want to see them getting a B&M surf coaster. Remember, only parks within the United States. Post your comments and good luck. And have a great day. Keep riding coasters and enjoy your day. Peace out.